So many people have in their minds what a typical GATE student looks like. And to be honest, GATE students come all in different sizes, shapes, and intellects. So the test that we use in Lynwood Unified tests 3 different areas. So some may pass in the verbal area, which means those kids will be very linguistically gifted. They'll have high vocabulary. Those students who pass in the numeric area might be very gifted in math, and they will show a great number sense and working with numbers, while those who pass the spatial relation one, they can visualize things in their mind, and those are the kids that you usually see love building things and drawing things out. So when you think of gifted, it's not just the student who always raises their hand or always gets good grades. It's also the students who ask questions all the time. They have very inquisitive minds and are very curious to learn more things, not just of what we're learning in class, but things that they see out on their own while reading, or if they're out on our field trips. So they really have this mind where they just want to learn more, and they're just very thirsty for knowledge.
This year, I made this. It says, don't throw trash in our home. And then I made some pudding and slime. Some things I do after school were like STEAM, and I used to be in Mathathon.
I took GATE when I was in 5th grade, and it was really fun. I learned about biomedical science, I learned about robotics, and after school, I work on coding. I look forward to learning more about coding and to learn more about the other things we're going to be doing in the future.
Some things I like about our GATE program is it opens up new opportunities for me in different places. Example, I've gotten to go on to multiple field trips that include science, coding, and STEM, all things I like, and even things like art, like PS Arts. And during those field trips, I get to do fun activity, I get to do cool crafts. Another thing is, thanks to GATE, I was able to open up new places for me.
I like GATE because there's a bunch of different types of things you could do. This year, I'm in engineering. What I really like about it is that it gives you an opportunity to do other stuff. And it's fun because this field trip, I made this pudding, and I made a cardboard sign.
Here in Lynwood Unified School District, our mission is to cultivate the talent of every single student, including our gifted learners. Our mission is to provide equitable opportunities for accelerated learning and enrichment opportunities for our gifted learners, ensuring that we address not only their academic and intellectual needs, but also their emotional and social needs.